So let me tell you why conferences are so important these days, more than ever. Post-pandemic, it's so important for our financial advisors to be well informed on all the latest and greatest wealth management ideas, products, services, platforms, and it also strengthens the relationship between our home office team, the financial advisors, and our strategic partners, because that is a trifecta of the best relationships. It builds trust and confidence to help the advisors be the best they could be to best serve the general investing public and their clients to meet their financial goals and objectives. It is like a major construction job as a general contractor managing a bunch of subcontractors that get into all different aspects of running a conference, from hotel logistics, travel logistics, contract negotiations, pricing negotiations, what's going on in the industry for content, in terms of what to put on the agenda, what products and services, platforms and programs do we promote and display. So there's a lot that goes into this, but the most important part is to always keep the financial advisor in mind. They are the VIP guest, and we need to make sure that their time is well spent and that they get ROI out of taking time away from their business and their family to spend time with us, as well as all the strategic partners, so that they can best serve their clients. And so, you know, we do that through a series of different breakout sessions, general sessions, advisor panels, and it's just the magic that all comes together when home office, strategic partners, and financial advisors network together and just brainstorm with all these great new ideas on how to best serve the general investing public. The number one most important takeaway is priority number one: business continuity and succession planning. Whatever it takes, the advice is simple. Get it done, have some fun doing it, but get it done for your family, for your business, for your partners, as well as for the investors. Your clients need to know that you have a plan in place to take care of yourself and your business.